Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the remote battery on a 2015 Honda Accord. This will work for model years 2014 through 2017. We're going to start by sliding this tab over to the right to unlock and remove the key. And now we're going to use the key to pry open the remote in half. So you're going to slide it into the slot, turn it sideways, either left or right, doesn't matter, and you're going to use your finger to slide across the remote to separate the two halves. Inside you'll find a remote battery size CR2032. We're going to pry that battery out, set that down to the side, and install the new CR2032 battery. Slide it into the left first and push down on the right to lock it down into the locking tabs. And now we can cover the remote battery. Make sure everything snaps into place all around the remote. Then you're going to grab the key and slide it back into the slot until you hear the audible click. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, or if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.